Hi viewers, I am Dr. Sohail Babar Khan, an Associate Professor of Pediatrics. Welcome to my channel Pediatric Pointers, which is a place for your diagnostic dilemmas in pediatrics. I have brought you another exciting and informative video about diagnosis of clinical problems in children with minimum of investigations. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel Pediatric Pointers and click the bell icon to keep yourself updated about my forthcoming new videos. Let's straightway move to the video. Chronic productive cough in a child. This is sputum of an adolescent girl which is producing this daily for the last many months. Note the mucopurulent thick greenish yellow flame. This is characteristic of chronic bronchiectasis. There is often shadowing in lower lobe on chest X-ray. This should prompt high-resolution CT scan thorax even if chest X-ray looks normal. Chronic productive cough after an episode of severe illness like pneumonia should suggest to rule out bronchiectasis. In such cases, look for an area or lung fields with coarse crackles and clubbing. It can also present as recurrent hemoptysis without sputum, which is called dry bronchiectasis. Upper lobe bronchiectasis is characteristic of tuberculosis, while proximal bronchiectasis is characteristic of bronchopulmonary aspergillosis. It is reversible in early stages, emphasizing early detection and treatment. Late or incomplete treatment of severe respiratory infection like pneumonia or TB is most common cause of bronchiectasis. If there is a history of sudden choking, then rule out foreign body as cause of bronchiectasis. If there is associated sinusitis, consider immotile cilia syndrome. If there are recurrent severe infections at multiple other places, consider immunodeficiency. If there is associated passage of frequent large, pale, sticky stools which are difficult to flush, consider cystic fibrosis. Acute exacerbation needs antibiotics for 2 weeks to limit lung damage and progression of bronchiectasis. Oral azithromycin every second day has been found to decrease exacerbation and limit progression and lung damage. Postural drainage twice a day is necessary to drain infected secretions from bronchiectatic areas.